friends, welcome to Cute and Smile. Today I will show how to inflate balloon with vinegar and baking soda. Before that, please like, share, comment and subscribe. For that we need half bottle of vinegar, baking soda and balloon. Put little baking soda into the balloon and fix it like this. Do you know the reason behind it? The vinegar and baking soda mix together to make acid-base reactions. The reaction creates carbon dioxide gas that bubbles up from the mixture. The gas expands up and out of the bottle and inflates the balloon. Thank you. Keep watching on my channel. Cute and Smile.